do I spell it nature? With this amazing thought, today I am Amayra from class 3rd A from St. Thomas's School, Dwarka, going to speak few lines on topic Nature, our best friend. Nature, our best friend, provide us with countless blessings every day. First, it gives us clean air to breathe. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is essential for our survival. Nature also gives us food to eat, fruits, vegetables, and grains grow in fields and orchards, filling our plates with delicious and nutritious meal. Water, another gift from nature, quenches our thirst. Rivers, lakes, and oceans gives us fresh water for drinking and bathing. Nature offers us shelter and protection. The materials for our homes, like wood and stone, come from the natural world, keeping us safe and warm. Beyond these essentials, nature also provides healing. Medicinal plants like aloe vera and neem have been used for centuries to treat illness and injuries. In return for all these gifts, it's our responsibility to take care of nature. We should not harm the environment, reduce waste, and protect wildlife. Nature truly is our best friend, offering sustenance, shelter, and even healing through medicinal plants. By cherishing and preserving it, we ensure a better world for ourselves and future generations. Thank you.